Hey guys, Racheal Norris here with Thunk Creative Designs. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to go over how to create a rock garden in under 30 minutes. The supplies you're going to need are a shovel, pea gravel, something to trim the edge with, and plastic to lay down so that weeds don't grow through. You may also want to spray some type of weed killer down. As you can see here where the grass died back, we sprayed it with weed killer and trimmed everything out. To get started, we chose to recycle our Quikrete bags that our gravel came in. So we cut those, laid them in place, and we installed our trim to be anchored at a later date. Then we shoveled our gravel into place from a wheelbarrow and leveled it out with the end of the shovel. And here you see the other side. And that's pretty much it, guys. After this, the girls were able to add some of the succulent plants that they have already planted, which you guys have seen in previous posts that I've posted on Facebook. And here it is all finished with a couple of the plants already in it. And we're super excited to be able to rearrange them, add more potted plants, maybe some painted rocks. Girls are so excited because the sky is the limit with how creative they get to be in both these spots without having to fight weeds. And here is the before picture, followed by the after. Thanks so much, guys, for watching. We hope that you like this video. And remember to subscribe so you guys don't miss out on future videos. Bye!